Hey, what's up, my party people? It's your boy, the AI Millionaire, coming at you with another killer video. Now, if you missed the first lesson, don't you worry. Just hit that rewind button and catch up with us. And don't forget to slam that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, because we're about to dive into some serious binary bot building. So in today's lesson, we're getting into the juicy stuff, the meaty bits, the real deal. And what's on the menu today? You guessed it. We're getting down and dirty with variables. Now, if you're scratching your head and wondering what the heck variables are, don't worry, my friend. I got you covered. Think of variables like a box that can hold all sorts of things, like toys, books, or even a sandwich. But in the world of programming and math, variables hold values like numbers or words. And these values can be updated or modified, just like your sandwich can be replaced with a burrito or a slice of pizza. So to get to the variables, all you gotta do is click on the Advanced tab and then click on Variable. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Stay tuned, folks, because we're just getting started with this binary bot building madness. Yo. Time to get funky with our bot building, my dudes. First things first, we gotta click on that Create Variable button and give our bot some personality. Let's name the first variable Stake. That's the amount of cash our bot will be working with, so we gotta make sure we give it enough to play with. You know what I'm saying? Next up, we gotta name our second variable Profit. This is where things get real. Our bot needs to know when to exit the market once it's made enough money, but we also gotta make sure it knows when to cut its losses and bail. That's where our buddy Martingale comes in. It's like a dog leash that tightens around the neck to prevent the dog from slipping away. But instead of a dog, we're dealing with our cash, so we gotta be extra careful. Now let me tell you a little secret. Only 10–20% of traders are consistently profitable. Crazy, right? But don't worry. We're gonna teach you all the risk management techniques you need to join that elite group of traders. That's why we gotta create another variable called Stop Loss. It tells our bot when to exit the market if things start going downhill. And don't forget, we gotta create two more variables called Edge and LDL. So pause this video and get your creative juices flowing, my dudes. Let's give our bot all the tools it needs to take over the market. Yippee-ki-yay, it's time to start building our bot. Woohoo! So first, grab the block called Set Profit To and plunk it at the tippy top where it says Run Once at Start. This bad boy only runs once at the start, hence the name, and then relies on the rest of our instructions to carry on with the trade. Next, right-click that block we just dragged and hit Duplicate, baby. Drag the new block under the first one and switch out Profit for Stake. Hooray! Pause the vid again and do the same thing for Stop Loss and Martingale. Awesome possum, you're doing great. Your bot should be looking something like this now. Now the real fun starts. Go back to the Variable section and drag Stake over to the Define Trade Options section where it says Stake. Got it? Now, in the Math section, grab the top block with the number 1 and plop it down anywhere. We need 3 more, 1 for each variable we created, so let's duplicate it 3 times. Attach each one to its corresponding condition and make sure they're all equal to 1, just like this. Click that arrow at the top to line up your blocks and hit the Run button. Woohoo! To stop the bot, just hit the stop button and voila. Now this next part is super important, so listen up. We want to save our progress so we can pick up where we left off next time. Click that little disk icon at the top and save your blocks to your computer. Rename it from Binary Bot to Zubero1, and save, baby. That's it for Lesson 2, my peps. I hope you're having a blast and learning tons. If you are, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss Lesson 3, y'all. This is your boy, the AI Millionaire, signing out. Mwah!